Happy morning, students. So today we're going to start with a new chapter, source of food. Food is one of the basic requirements of living organisms. It is required for growth, development and wear and tear of the body tissues. Importance of food. A fuel for everybody and contains chemicals that fulfill demand of a body called nutrients. So food is like what? It gives us energy to do work. So source of food. So where do we get this food? So what will be the source? So the source of food is from plants and animals. In plants, fruits, vegetables, grains, example, and animals, the examples are meat and milk. Function of foods. Provide energy to do activity, protect from disease, help to grow cell and repair worn out cells, plant prepare their own food and called producer. So these are the function of foods. Why do we need food? We know that all living things, be it plants and animals, need food and water to live on. We know we need food because food gives us energy. Food we eat gives our body essential nutrients to help us grow and heal when we are injured or we are ill. Thus, food keeps us healthy and provides us essential nutrients to fight diseases. To prepare our food, we need different kinds of ingredients like to cook vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. So when you take any ingredient, any ingredient like any recipe you can take. See, if you take sambar, sambar as an example, what? So what do you have in sambar? In sambar, you will first, the procedure is pulses. Any dal you should add it on the sambar. Plus vegetables, you can use any type of vegetable. See, when your mama preparing sambar recipe, what happen? What they will do? They will add vegetables like onion, tomato, brinjal, drumstick. So the various vegetables were used. Garlic, were used in the sambar. So sambar is a recipe where you can get all the nutrients which is filled in the sambar recipe. When you what is the first procedure? You should add the oil and then the mustard seeds and then jeera. Jeera seeds. So these are all the vitamins, minerals and water and what will be the components like protein and carbohydrate. If you add any potato or any other thing to your recipe, so that there will be like carbohydrate which is present in it. So these are the things when you are being prepared with one recipe. So these are all the multi components which is present in that recipe. So what happened? You can eat sambar as a food? No. So you should need a what? So you should need a rice. So one bowl of rice served with a sambar. So you will take that as a food. So that food which is rich in carbohydrate and the sambar which is rich in protein, minerals, vitamins and fats. So these are the balanced diet we are taking as a one food recipe. So what are ingredients? Ingredients are the materials required to prepare the dish we consume as food. Example, to prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil. So as I said before, so these are the example for ingredients. What is edible? The substance which we can eat. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants gives us oil and the leaves are used as vegetable. Source of food. So first we studied the source of food are of in two types. One is the plants and animal or the source of food. So the plants and animal are the two sources of food material. Example, milk, egg, meat, chicken, fish, prawn, beef, pork, etc. are the food products that we get from animals. Grain, cereal, vegetable, fruits comes from plants and plant products. So we eat leafy vegetables, fruits and some part of the plants like stem and root. When you are eating stem, can you give any one example? The food which you are eating as a stem? Yes, sugarcane. Yes, you like sugarcane. It's very yummy to eat, right? It's very, very sweety in nature. So that you consumed as a stem. How we can get food from plants? So fruit is one of the many food we get from plants. Other parts of plants we use for food include leaves and stem. Celery, lettuce, silver beet. Okay. So the best example for the leaf is like what? Cabbage. Root, potato, carrot, beetroot, radish. So these are all the vegetable where you can get from the underground on the soil. Seeds like wheat, rice, legumes. What is legumes here? Yes, pea pods. Okay. Groundnuts and tree nut. So tree nut will be walnuts and almond. So these are the seeds which we get in the plants. Food from plants are packed with many nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So most of the fruit when you are taking, what happens? There is rich in antioxidant. What is antioxidant? These are the vitamins rich food to fight against the antigen. Dietary fiber is found only in plants. How we get food from animal? Some foods are produced from the flesh or internal organs of animal such as beef, lamb, kangaroo, pork and mutton. Okay, chicken and fish, they are the white meats. Beef, lamb, kangaroo, pork and mutton are considered to be the red meats. Heart, liver, kidneys and brain have some other organs. Okay, organs are like example when you are consuming what? Goat. Okay, so when you're taking animal goat, you're taking a flesh, so we can eat heart, liver, kidneys and brain too. Okay, so these are the food which we get from the animals. So activity, you just I just give one of the activity to do, proceed in your own. Okay, so what is sprouted seed first? So sprouted seed is like what? The germinating seeds are the initial stage when a white structure has grown out of the seed are called sprouted seed. How to prepare them? Take some dry seeds of moong or channa, put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Okay, it's like a 24 days enough. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. Next day, you will see white structure has grown out it. So these are called sprouted seeds. So you can eat them as it is or boil them and eat. So they are very, very healthy to eat. So you just make this activity and do at your home. Be safe and be good. Thank you.